Well, hello YouTubers, here we have what's going to be the swing arm on that electric bike, the Stealth Bomber clone essentially. Here's the old swing arm, or what's left of it. Basically I got sent the wrong one. This was a snow swing arm, so the spacing of 172mm, whereas I need 135. What I used to do for the current motors I have kicking around, and I can always make another one, so it's not really a problem. The original swing arm, for those interested, is literally a piece of flat bar bent with a bit of 2mm stuck over the top as a sort of skin. So if you cut these tacks, and it's mostly tacked together, that's all that's in there. There's the other piece right there. You can see by the end, piece of flat bar, the skin itself. See through there where I was going to straighten this out and make it the right spacing, but it was more of a pain just to fight with it than it was just to make another one. So yeah, junk. Yeah, here we have the other piece. This is going to be kept. This is the only piece that's going to be kept. That's what you're basically looking at. It's that. It's going to end up welded to that, essentially. The internal spacing has to be 135. Got a bit of titubation to do. This is just during lunch break. Yeah, it's 134 at the minute, but we're not quite square. So we've just got to adjust that. So we're not quite square. Looking at that, that doesn't appear to be quite square either. But anyway, nor do these. But yeah, it should all go well, to be totally honest. We're sitting on the world's worst table at the minute. This isn't actually a table, it's something else. But yeah, that concludes this little video of the remaking of a swing arm for an electric bike. See you later.